Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing essentials. Sign in and enable location services so the system can locate your device. Once done, make sure Bluetooth and background refresh are on. These let the app pull nearby signals and update position. Open Find Phone and tap Locate Now. This initiates a live query. You want a clear location fix, so move to a window or outside if reception is weak. This first action gets the app talking to location servers and starts the retrieval process immediately. Next, refine the search using the app's tools. Zoom the map and toggle satellite view. This helps identify landmarks and buildings where the phone might be. If the device appears nearby, play a loud sound. This works even on silent, or enable lost mode to lock and display your contact info. Check the details panel for last seen time, battery estimate, and whether the device is online. These clues explain why the phone moved or went offline and guide your next physical steps. Finally, act on the information. Go to the marked location and listen for sounds and ask nearby people to help look. If the device is offline, set a Notify on Reconnect alert so you get an update when it comes back. Only perform a remote erase if recovery seems impossible, since that removes tracking. If something fails, troubleshoot by confirming you're signed into the correct account, checking app permissions and network access, and toggling location services before a
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.